Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Unlock your iPhone or iPad, sign into your Apple ID, and enable the image generator in Settings. Do this now so permissions are granted. Next, open Photos and pick 5 reference images. Once done, tap Share and choose the image generator extension. Make sure to allow camera and photos access when prompted, because without those permissions, the generator can't analyze your inputs. You now move into the detailed middle steps where prompt design matters. First, type a concise prompt describing subject, style, and mood. Include a color or lighting cue to guide the model. Then pair that text with your reference image and use the fidelity and creativity sliders, low for accurate edits, high for novel results. Once adjusted, preview a draft and iterate. Tweak wording, change slider by increments of 10, and regenerate until the composition and detail meet your intent. You finish by reviewing and exporting the final image. Choose the resolution and tap Export to save to photos or share immediately. If you spot artifacts or odd details, try lowering creativity and increasing fidelity, or reword the prompt to be more specific. Those steps usually resolve composition issues. If the tool fails to run, make sure image generator permissions are enabled in Settings and reboot the device. This simple reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.